In the last class, we were doing the worksheet and we are done with the question number 15. Now we are moving towards the question number next. The next question is question number 16. Question number 16 is now on the screen. The question number 16 is saying that which of the following is not an alphabet key? Which of the following is not an alphabet key? So you all know very well what is alphabet keys. So can anyone tell me that which of the following? There are four keys given. What those four keys are? The key is Q, then bracket, then Z and A. In these all words, which is not a alphabet? What do you think? A is not alphabet, Z is not alphabet, bracket is not alphabet, or Q is not alphabet. What's your answer? You can give the answer in this form like A, B, C, or D. You can also tell this thing what's your answer is. So let's see who gave the answer in the chat. Okay, so that's good. Five students sent the answer in the chat. Okay, what about the others? Okay, that's good. You can also give the answer in the chat like A, B, C, or D. Whatsoever your answer is, you can just send the option in the chat. Okay, kindly everybody close their videos, please. Okay, now let's see. Ahmad Muhammad, Hamza Al Sayyed, Abdul Malik Hassan, Abdullah, Hamad Al Khalaf, Hamza, Hamza Ahmad, Layan, and Hassan Asad, Ibrahim Muhammad. Till now, all these students sent the correct answer. Till now, all these students sent the correct answer. Hamza Muhammad also sent the correct answer. Okay, so right now we have four options given. It's Q, bracket, Z, and A. So the right answer is B. Amar Yasir and Anas Muhammad also sent the correct answer. Very good. So the right answer is B. B is a bracket. If you see, this sign will never appear in ABCD. This sign will never appear in ABCD. Why? Because it is not a alphabet. It is not a alphabet. Yes, Abdul Rahman, you are very much right. So if you see the B option will never appear in ABCD because it's not an alphabet. This is not a alphabet. It's a bracket. Bracket is not an alphabet key. It's not a alphabet key because Q is a alphabet, Z is a alphabet, A is a alphabet, and only the bracket is the one which is not an alphabet key. So B is the right answer. It is not a alphabet key. Okay. So answer for the question number 16 is B. Now we are moving towards the question number 17. The question number 17 is on the screen. Question number 17 is saying that whatever is typed on keyboard can be seen on. Okay, we type with the help of keyboard. We know this thing. But when we type, where we can see those typing words? Where we can see those typing words? We can see those words which we are typing on the mouse. We see those words of keyboard on CPU. We see those words on the speaker, or we see those words on the monitor. Monitor is a screen, speaker is a hardware used to listen songs, CPU and mouse. So when we type from keyboard, the words we are typing, we can see those words on mouse, CPU, speaker, or monitor. We can see things on which option? We can see things on mouse. We can see things on CPU. We can see things on speaker. We can see things on monitor. So let's say, so till now, Hamza Al Sayyed, Abdullah, Ibrahim Muhammad, Abdul Rahman, Hamza Muhammad, Azam Saleh, Amir Al Falai, Ahmad Muhammad. Till now, these students sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay. So waiting for the others. Very good. Layan, Anas Muhammad, you are very much right. These both of these students also sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay. Whatever is typed on keyboard can be seen on mouse, CPU, speaker, or monitor. So now the correct answer is very good. Hamza Ahmad Suleiman also sent the correct answer. Now the correct answer is monitor. The correct answer is monitor. Very good, Abdul Rahman. Okay. So let me take the names of the students. Those who give the correct answer. Abdul Rahman, Hamza Ahmad, Anas Muhammad, Layyan, Ahmad Muhammad, Amir Al Falai, Azam Saleh, Ibrahim Muhammad, Abdullah, Hamza Al Sayyed. Okay. Ammar Yasir, Abdullah Saad, and Hassan Asad also sent the correct answer. Hamad Al Khalaf uh, also sent the correct answer, and the correct answer is monitor. The spelling of monitor is Monitor. We can see things. We can see things on the monitor. We can see things on the monitor. So, monitor is used to see the things. Monitor is used to see the things. Okay. So, everybody understand that this thing? Everybody understand this question? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
sir.
Now we are moving to the next question. What does next question is saying? The next question is question number 18. The next question is question number 18. The question number 18 is saying that which of the following key, which of the following key would you use to type your age? For example, you have to type your age. You are 14 years old, 10 years old, 7 years old, 6 years old, 12 years old. So which key you would use to type your age? Which key would you use to type your age? You will use your number key or alphabet key. For example, if someone is saying, I was born in 2012, someone is saying, I was born in 2014. So the age of the person who born in 2014 is like 7 years. Okay. And alphabets are A, B, C, D. So which key we will pick? Which key we will pick to write our age? Which key we will pick to write our age? Okay, that's good. So many students sent the correct answer. That's a great thing. Okay, so now Ahmad. Okay, let me take a name. Abdul Rauf, Ammar Yasir, Abdul Rahman, Abdullah, Ahmad Muhammad, Hamza Muhammad, Malik Badr, Abdullah Saad, Ibrahim Muhammad, Hamad Al Khalaf. Hamad Al Khalaf, your answer is wrong. Ibrahim Muhammad, Azam Saleh, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Ahmad Suleiman, Abdullah, and Amir Al Falai. Okay. All these students sent the correct answer till now. Okay. Now, which of the following keys would you use to type your age? How we can type our age? With the help of numbers, we can type our age. With the help of numbers, we can type our age. So the right answer for the question number 18 is number keys. Is the number keys. So everybody understand the answer of question number 18? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now question number 19. It's the last question of the worksheet. The question 19 is saying that the keys from 0 to 9. The keys from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called dash keys. These keys are called what keys? Alphabet keys, number keys, or special keys. What do you think? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these keys are called what? Alphabet keys, number keys, or special keys. So let's see who is going to give the answer for this question. Okay. Hamza Al Sayyid, Ahmad Al Khalaf, Abdul Rahman, Ahmad Muhammad, Ammar Yasir, Anas Muhammad, Abdullah, Abdul Rauf, Azam Saleh, Hassan Asad, Abdullah Saad, Amir Al Falai. All these students till now give the correct answer. Waiting for the others, so that others can also send the correct answer. So the keys, when you see these keys, where are those keys? They are above the alphabets keys. Alphabets are ABCD. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are not alphabets. So it means that two options are there. That number keys and special keys. So good. Ibrahim Muhammad, Hamza Ahmad Suleiman, and Hamza Muhammad also sent the correct answer. So these are the number keys. These are the number keys. The right answer for the question 19 is a number key. Is a number key. Answer of question number 19 is number. Okay. So let me repeat the answers of the questions of this worksheet. The answer of the question number 1 is keys. Answer of question number 2 is keyboard. Answer of question number 3 is enter. Answer of question number 4 is keyboard. Answer of question number 5 is never. Answer of question number 6 is special. Answer of question number 7 is enter. Answer of question number 8 is backspace. Answer of question number 9 is space bar. Answer of question number 10 is space bar. So, question number 8 answer is backspace. Question number 9 and 10 both have the same answer. It's a space bar. And question number 11 answer is keyboard. Answer of question number 12 is 2. Answer of question number 13 is keyboard. Answer of question number 14 is keys. Keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. K-E-Y-S. K-E-Y-S. Answer of question number 15 is alphabet. So the type words are called the alphabets because the words are made from it. So words that we are typed using dash keys. So alphabet keys are used to type words. Question number 16. Answer is B. It's a bracket. Question number 17. The answer is monitor. The answer is monitor. Question number D. Sorry, question number 18. The answer is number keys. Question number 19. The answer is option B, number. Question number 19. The answer is option B, the number. Everybody write all the answers of the worksheet. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. 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 So, okay. So some of the students, many of the students sent the worksheet in the mail. But if someone didn't send me the mail or this worksheet in the mail, so kindly just take a picture and send it to me on the mail. If you send it, then it's okay. Okay. Because I checked some of the pictures which I received from the students. But if you didn't send the picture before of this worksheet, you can send it after the period in the mail in class light. Everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now everybody open the page number 43 in the computer book. Everybody open the page number 43 in the computer book. Everybody open page number 43 in the computer book. I am changing my screen. Wait for a second so that screen will be switched. Every one of you see my screen. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now in this, there is a question on the page number 43. There is a question on the page number 43. Solve the clues and fill in the crossword. So there are some boxes given. See, in these boxes there are some alphabets will come and some alphabets will make words. So they are telling the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that there are 5 words. It means that there are 5 words in the crossword. Okay. So they are giving you the hint. They are giving you the hint at the end of the page. So at the end of the page, if you see, before going towards the hint, let's see this question. They are telling you the word. They are saying the word will go in this one. The first word will go in this one. The second word will come in this one. The third word will go in this way. The fourth word will come in this way. And fifth word will come in this way. They are giving you the hint that the first word will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 alphabets. This word is made up of 9 alphabets. So, where is the hint? They are giving you the hint. The hint is for the question number 1 is helps erase word. So, which key on the keyboard helps us to erase words? Which key on the keyboard helps us to erase words? What do you think? Which key helps us to erase word? We see some special keys. Very good. You guys can send the answer. And there are 9 alphabets in that word. So, which key? The name of that key has 9 alphabets. So, which key helps us to erase or to delete or to remove word? Can you tell me the name of the key? Okay, let me give you the hint. The name of the spelling is word is started with B. The name of the first word is started with B. So let's see. Okay, that's good. Seven students till now send the answer. Okay, that's great. So which key helps us to erase word, to remove word? Which key helps us to do this thing? Okay, that's good. So who sent Ahmad Muhammad, Abdullah, Abdul Rauf? Abdul Rauf, kindly check the spelling, please. Hamad Al Khalaf, Ibrahim Muhammad, Abdul Rauf, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Muhammad, Azam Saleh. So very good. Ahmad Muhammad, kindly check the spelling, please. So, what do you think? What is the first one? The first one is telling about the key which erase or remove the data. The name of that key is started with the B. Okay. So let me write the answer. Okay. All the names which I took are the student who sent the correct answer. So the right answer is the backspace key. The backspace key. Very good, Anas. Okay. So backspace key is used to erase words on the screen. So it is used to erase. So now let me write the spelling. All those students whose name which I took send the correct spelling. Okay, let me write it. So the spelling is backspace. The spelling is back space. It's B-A-C-K. B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E. It's a backspace. So we put the first word there. So now we are moving towards the second word. Now let's see what does the second word giving the hint. The second word is giving a hint that the second word based on the thing with the help of which we can type. So from which thing, from which device we can type, from which device we can type. So also note this thing that A is inside that word because A is coming in that word. So you just have to tell me which device we use to type, and A should be in that spelling. Very good. So five students sent the correct answer till now. So what is the name of the device which we use to type on the computer? Okay, that's good. So it's Hamza Al Sayyed, Anas Ahmed, sorry, Hamza Al Sayyed, Ammar Yasir, Ahmad Muhammad, Anas Mohammed, Anas Ahmed, Ibrahim Mohammed, Azam Saleh. Till now, all these students sent the correct answer in the chat. So, the device which we use to type, the name of that device starts with K. It's a keyboard. It's a keyboard. So, let's see. There is A is coming in keyboard or not. So, it's K E Y B O A. Yes, the A is there. R, and then we have D. Yes, so the keyboard is become fit in it. So it's KEYBOARD. It's a keyboard, and it's BACKSPACE. It's a backspace. That's good. Now we are moving towards the third word. What that third word is? The third word is saying that, let's move to the hint. The third word helps us to put data into the computer. So how we can put the data into the computer? So the first letter of that word is E. Okay. Now we have to find out four different alphabets. The name of the keys started with E. So we see three special keys. One is backspace. The second one is the space one. The third one we have started with E. What is the name of that key through which we can input the data into the computer? So Anas Mohammed, Azam Saleh, Ibrahim Mohammed, Hamza Al Sayyed, Abdul Rauf, Ahmed Mohammed, Hamad Al Khalaf, and Anas Ahmed. So all these students sent the correct answer till now in the chat. Let's see what others are sending. Okay, so Ammar Yasir. Ammar Yasir also sent the correct answer in the chat. Now we are moving towards the third one. The third one is enter. The third one is enter. Yes, you guys are right. First, let me write the spelling, and then I will tell who sent us a correct answer. So now we got the enter key. So it's ENTER. We got enter, and we got keyboard, and we got back space. So we have three words: Hasan Asad and Gamal. Very good. Hasan Asad, Gamal, Ammar, all these also sent the correct answer. Very good. So three words are till now done. Let's move to the fourth one. The fourth word is giving us a hint that we spell our name with these. So We can spell our names with these. Oh, excellent, excellent. So, very good. So, basically, it's a one word given, but these are two words. So, Hamza Al Sayyed, Anas Muhammad, very good. It's a tricky one. We can spell our name. You can type your name with which keys? Let me give you the hint. The number keys, or the letter keys, or the special keys. So, what do you think? Any idea that we spell our name with these? From which keys we can type or spell our names? So let me give you one more hint. It's K, E, Y, and S. What about these word? This word. Let me give you one more hint. Let me write the key completely here. So these are keys. These are keys. What about this? It is used to type our name. Very good. So Hamza Al Sayyed, Anas Muhammad, Ahmad Muhammad, Azam Saleh, Hamza Muhammad, Abdul Rahman Atif, Anas Ahmad, Ibrahim Muhammad, and these are the students who sent the correct answer in the chat. The answer is letter. The answer is letter keys. The answer is letter keys. So, letter keys are used to type the name because letters are based on the alphabets. Letters are based on the alphabets. So, the fifth one, the last one we have, insert a space between two words. It's very easy. Very good, Hamza Al Sayyed. How we can insert the space? We can insert the space with the help of space bar. So Hamza Al Sayyed, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Muhammad, all these students give the correct answer. Ahmad Muhammad, you are also right. It's a space bar. It's a space bar. So the spelling, I wrote it here, and now the spelling is in the box. So we are done with the page number 43. We are done with the page number 43. And Abdul Rauf and Ibrahim Mohammed also sent the correct answer. So the answer of this page and the worksheet will also be uploaded after the class in the class light. And the time of the period is finished. There is assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. And we will meet inshallah in the next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone.